I'm going to go over how to use Backtrack 4 and the Social Engineering Toolkit to harvest credentials. So I have Backtrack 4 set up here in a virtual machine. I use VirtualBox to set this up. Because it's in a VM, I bridged my network connections, my local area, and my VirtualBox. You can just highlight both of these, right click, and then the bridged option will be right there. I already have these bridged, so it's not. Once that's set up, you can boot up Backtrack. Networking is disabled by default. So to start networking, services, network, start network. Once the network's running, we can start Social Engineering Toolkit. And I'm going to put in my IP address that the harvest will post to. And I'm going to clone Facebook. You can do mass mailer, but I'm just going to do single email this time around. And I made up 2 Gmail accounts just for this example. I'm going to send the email to vulnerableiuser@gmail.com. And it's going to be sent on behalf of the owner of Facebook at Gmail. Send mail can be used. It's a service that can send an anonymous email that can be set in the set configuration, but I'm not going to go through that today. I'm going to flag it as high priority. Send it as plain text. And here's where I type the message. In order to verify your Facebook account is in use, click on the link below. And this is where I post the IP address again. And then that sends the email off to the vulnerable user at Gmail. And for that example, I have a fully patched Windows 7 professional 64-bit machine right here. I'm going to go to Gmail. Got to log out. Alright, so from here, I can type in vulnerable user at Gmail. And here's the email from the owner of Facebook. Looks pretty important. And here's the email. So once I click on the link, it sends me to the actual clone of Facebook. This is not the actual Facebook site. So I put in my username and password, and I click login, and it redirects the user to the actual Facebook site. So I could have just thought that that was the wrong password, so I'll put it again and log into Facebook like nothing happened, and I'll just be a very confused person. So after the credentials are entered, this is what posts back to the Backtrack machine. As you can see here, this is the email they entered, and this is the password they entered. So I can go back to Facebook and log in as that user. Easy as that.